So I needed something that was extremely, extremely inexpensive, but would really, really help me. So now that I've used Bluehost, I used Bluehost for the first like 2.5 years. I highly recommend them. I'll have a link in the description that you can go like see what it's all about and how it works. But they are awesome. I would message them all of the time. They were probably so sick of me, but their customer service is amazing. And they're basically like, I always explain it like Bluehost is like the Walmart version of hosting. So it's really, really inexpensive. It does the job. When I started getting a lot more views, so like after I started getting 200,000 views a month, which will take a hot second for you to get to, then I went to Big Scouts or Big Scoots. I don't know which one it is. The reason that I don't recommend them right away is because, let me tell you, I pay hundreds of dollars a month for them.